Here is how to unmatch in Badoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can unmatch on the Badoo app. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you'll come to the encounter section like this. Now in order to unmatch someone, go to chats that you can see at the bottom. Here you will find profiles of all the people that you have matched with. Now tap on the profile of the person that you want to unmatch and open the chat box. After you have opened the chat box, tap on the three dots that you can see on the top. Then if you have matched with the person, you will find unmatch among various options. Since I have only sent a text message and not matched with the person, there is no unmatch option. However, if you have matched with the person, you will find the unmatch option. Tap on unmatch and then confirm it. By this way, you can easily unmatch with someone in Badoo. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.